uSteve okuPlatinum Stars ngivani athamba to Ace Makhasmane uChapha siya kuPlatinum Stars sofuna ugym yo trial ngiyamthola uSteve la basiyafika la sicela ukujima basale but there's no way plaza basazi ngithola mangifika la ngiyabona ukuthi ayi la akukho sharp fine go there basalela ukujima we went there again tomorrow no Ace that day but hi bafethu no we can't next week ngithathe back sengihamba ngi1 na ngifike la ngiringe nabo ngikhulume no Steve ngiringe nabo bathi hayi coka bangikhumbula kahle it's fresh phela it's fresh in their minds I was there the previous week and then it's the same guy yabona abangayi izinto ngichange ngene ngiqala into yami mbo ngijima 2 weeks guess what bangibiza ngiyenza medical sengihamba nya ku doctor ngithola doctor papa sharp ngiyele gymini ngithola engenza iflop I went there we played ngadlala sharp how much days again you look fit you've done well let's as we say K so da bangiphuze da ke ukuthi hayi lo mutlo bekakithi uyahamba lo mutlo bla ngithola but abangitshela story because mase ngizobela gym the next day lama coach besifana nawo mfana bangijikele cabanga ukuthi egymini angisadlali manje angisadlali so ngayipick up ngathi bengamalanga ngiyodlala yeah so lezana zingiphuzile
akumoshile
yeah wenze bathi ngingasabuyi and ngilokho ngiza kanje ngiyashisa but hayi ungasabuyi so iyaphela lapho.